We're going to turn now to counsel and hear their closing arguments. So I'm going to ask Mr. Wilenchik to get himself set up and let us know when he's ready to go.
And most people wouldn't do this. Most people don't have the ability, the principles, whatever you want to call it, that this man here has to do that, to take these guys on, a big company. That's why they do what they do, you see. That's why they do what they do. And they will continue to do it unless you folks do something about it. But today, you have that ability to do it. Not for me, not for him, but for everyone. They have to bring the ruby red slippers, the Wicked Witch's broomstick, and whatever else he demands before they get to see the Great Oz. To send a message so that Mr. Thiel, who, by the way, I guess this case isn't important enough for him to even sit through.
Now, it's true, First American said, all right, we're going to see if we can break them. But it became known pretty quickly that they couldn't be. And I know that you will give this the serious attention that it deserves. Thank you.
Please give this the serious attention that this matter deserves, we heard. Apparently that goes for you, but it doesn't go for them, because they gave no serious attention to Mr. Batistas' claim, did they? I think the most telling statement here was Mr. Siegel said, First American said we're going to break them. I think that was maybe a Freudian slip. I don't think he was talking about the CC&Rs. I think he was talking about Troon, because that's exactly what their attitude was. We're going to break them. We're going to drag them out as long as we can until they stop or run out of money and don't make the store. You buy something, you walk out, you realize in your bag it's the wrong item. You go back and you tell the clerk, I got the wrong item in my bag, and what do? Oh, excuse me. It appears I rung up a different item on here, so the heck with you. Well, don't you remember me? I just walked out of the store. There's the item. It's sitting right on the counter. Oh, sorry. Manager says, can't give you a refund because I rang up the wrong thing. I know you did, but won't you honor what just happened, what you know happened, which there's no dispute about? No, out the door. That's what you, as a conscience of this community, want to establish as the norm, as something you'll approve of, and that's why we're here. And if you think that's just words, and you think that I'm just standing up here as a windbag lawyer telling you this because I want money or he wants money, then go ahead and believe what you want to believe. But I'll tell you this much. If you want to stop the conduct that you've seen here displayed in this court, then the only way you can do it is to send them home a message while Thiel is sitting in his office. And that's the only way you're going to do it. Thank you.
As you know, counsel, we have a verdict. So, Mr. Wilenchik, are you wishing to speak with the jury if they want to?
Probably, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and how about you, Mr. Barton?
No, we're not.
Do you waive your presence and would allow plaintiff's counsel to be in there on the conditions I just stated?
Yes.
Okay. The verdicts are in proper form, and I'm going to ask my clerk to enter them into the record.
We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above title action upon our oath, do find in favor of Troon plaintiffs and award damages on the breach of contract title policy claim in the sum of $627,000 in favor of Troon plaintiffs and award damages on the bad faith claim in the sum of $200,000 in favor of Troon plaintiffs and finding the amount of punitive damage to be $750,000.